Three prominent Karnataka leaders in one frame is an exclusive. Thank you so much for talking to us here at CNN News 18. I am joined by former Chief Minister Mr. S.T. Kumaraswamy, the Tumkur Lok Sabha candidate, the former Minister Mr. V. Somanna, and Mr. Vijayendra, who is the State Karnataka President, and Shikaripura MLA. Thank you so much for joining us. Let me ask the straight question first to the candidate, to Kumaraswamy sir. You're saying, sir, if I can ask you, this is a coalition, and this place, Tumkur, is a hot seat. Your father, former Prime Minister Mr. Devagowda, also is contested here. You have said that every vote for the JDS is a vote for the BJP also. How do you see the chance? Because there is rebellion also here in the seat.
There is no rebel situation in Tumkur, not only Tumkur, entire all the 28 constituency, BJP and JDS leaders, not only leaders, even workers, ordinary workers also, unitedly they are fighting to win all the 28 seats.
But sir, right now D.K. Shivkumar said that the Devagowda family will do anything especially for votes or to win elections. How do you look at this?
What they are doing? Shivkumar will, what he will going to do? First, he answered that. Afterwards, we can question the Devagowda. He has no moral right to discuss about Devagowda's political activities.
How do you see the chances? Do you think your force has been doubled or tripled? And this is the third time that Prime Minister Modi is looking at his chance. So has the force become stronger?
Their country, they need Narendra Modi. Already they have decided, mentally they have decided to elect Prime Minister third time. There is no question of going back, looking back. Narendra Modi will become Prime Minister third time with the blessing of entire Indians.
Sir, one last question to you. The Congress is going to elections saying on local issues, on guarantee schemes. BJP and JDS is going with Modi.
Guarantee issues are bogus. People are already know it.
Thank you so much, sir. But Somanna sir, let me ask you. You are the candidate from Tumkur here. What are the three things that you promise people that you think will deliver the votes to you?
ನಂದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆದ್ಯತೆ ಈ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ 28ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ತರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತುಮಕೂರು ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು.
How are you going to counter the fact they say that you are an outsider? Varuna Nalli, when we also campaigned, when I was part of your campaign and I saw that you were campaigning, you're saying you're an outsider.
Who is outsider?
Sorry,
Rahul Gandhi is from Kerala. Why he is contesting in Kerala?
the outsider factor.
He was born in Kerala. Here they are putting question to Somanna. He is an outsider. Then who is Rahul Gandhi? Who is Rahul Gandhi? For that actually they must answer. After that we can answer.
How are you, sir, looking at your chances? Because even for that, Mr. Madhuswamy was not even part of the meetings today. You have gone and...
He is already working. No problem. There is absolutely no problem. In the JDS and BJP, I work together.
We are
confident.
Yes, 100%.
Well, I have a question for you because rebellion is one question that is coming. Let me ask you, how are you going to handle the rebellion within the BJP?
Yeah, all the rebellions or differences that was surfaced couple of weeks back, everything has been resolved. BJP and JDS, we are going together across the state, and even the cadres, both the JDS and BJP were working together, and we are 100% sure the trend as on today, we are going to win all the 28 seats. BJP.
So Ishwarappa is contesting against your family, against your father, in a seat with your father.
Raghavendra is a senior MP. He has fourth time is contesting Lok Sabha election from Shimoga. The people of Shimoga district, across community and across party lines, they are supporting Raghavendra. He will win with a margin of more than 2 lakh.
Do you think Mr. Ishwarappa will withdraw his nomination?
I don't want to comment on that, but Raghavendra will win with a big margin.
But there are a lot of places, a lot of seats in Karnataka that is seeing rebellion as well. And so how are you going to fight it? Because the Congress is using that to their advantage.
Not too many rebellion. In 1 or 2 constituencies, we have some minor issues. We will sort it out. But one thing is sure, this is not going to affect our results. People are in favor of BJP and JDS, in favor of Narendra Modi ji.
So is Modi the Sanjeevani for all these problems?
100%. Modi ji is a booster for not only Karnataka, but entire country. Because of Modi ji's popularity, we are going to win all the 28 seats here in Karnataka.
That will keep you all together and quell the rebellion?
You will see 100%. We'll be together.
Thank you so much for talking to us here. So very clearly here in Tumkur, we are meeting, like we said, 3 senior leaders who put together with Vijay Mana Das, Rohini Swamy in Tumkur for CNN News 18.